Before we start this video, make sure you know how to solve the 3x3, or at least know the basics. Step 1. Solve the centers. Okay, start out with white and identify 2 white pieces. Pair them up and create a bar. Now identify the other 2, pair them up, and make them vertical, and put it down. Now identify 2 yellow pieces. These ones are already paired up. Bring them up, and you'll notice this white bar comes up with it. To fix this, just do U2, R prime, and now it's fixed. Identify the other 2 yellow pieces. It's here and here. Pair them up. And this time, you want to have the yellow pieces in such a way like this. Bring it up. U2, R prime, and that fixes that. Now go to any of these centers between those 2 and pick one. Okay, I'm gonna pick this one. Start out with red and find 2 red pieces. They're right here. So for this case, it's just you bring it down, you move it, bring it back up, it's paired. Now you put it to the left always and find the other 2 red pieces, which are right here and here. Same case, so you just do this and bring it down like that. Now we go on to blue. Blue already has a pair. So first find the other 2 then, pair them up, and bring it down. Now bring it down again into here by doing this algorithm. Now you go into orange. And this is pretty easy. It's the same thing as I showed before. Solve the centers. Step 2. Solve the edges. Okay, before you do this, make sure you know this algorithm. It is very important. Okay, U prime wide, R, U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R, U wide, and make sure you remember that. Okay, now that you've learned that, you can learn the basics of edge pairing. So first, you find 2 edges that are the same piece. So here we got white and red, white and red. Then you want to pair them up in a way where they are the same. But you do not want them where they're like this. Okay, you need them on the same row. So then you do that algorithm I showed you, and that pairs them up. Okay, here's another example. So we got green and red, green and red. They are very far apart from each other. You just figure out how to move them so they are in the same layer and pair them. Okay, we'll do this one more time. Okay, so I have blue and red, blue and red. This is that case you do not want. So there is an algorithm. I'll teach you to fix this. R, U, R prime, F, R prime, F prime, R. And now they are on the same row. You can do that algorithm. And they are paired. Keep repeating this until all 12 edges are solved. Now, after some time of edge pairing, your cube should look like this. This is called the 3x3 stage, and it's basically, you now can solve it like a 3x3, and keep doing that until you get the first 2 layers. And after you're finished with F2L, you'll run into this. This is called parity, and it's an unsolvable case, and needs a super long algorithm. And that solves it. And then when you think you're done, nope, another parity. This one is not quite so long, but it basically just swaps these 2 edges. And now it's solved. Congratulations, you can solve a 4x4. If you want to see example solves, let's get this video to 100 likes. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you later.